Associations within HubSpot are very important to create both a holistic picture of what's happening as well as a realistic representation of the relationships between the different objects within your CRM here. And the reason that you really want to do this is to create a more robust and more accurate representation of your objects. So you'll see here, I've pulled up a preview of my deal. So in this case, the deal is basically a discrete sales process that's occurring. I'm working towards actually closing a particular sale. I also have contacts that are related to this. So this would be somebody who works at the company, and this contact will endure whether that deal is closed won or closed lost, and could be part of multiple deals. Perhaps I'm making multiple sales, or I'm doing multiple sales over a longer time frame. So I can go ahead and actually add the association here for this contact. I don't have it within here, but you also can add the company and associate that to the deal that you have. And you can also associate contacts with companies and companies with contacts. And you'll see that this creates a nice three-dimensional picture of everything that's happening uh, with your relationship with this particular company, and allows you to manage basically your relationships with the individuals that work at particular companies. It allows you to create a picture of who works at the particular company as well as the details of the company, and then also allows you to see what type of sales process you have in place with that company, and then who that sales process is actually with.